Welcome to the WinGIS tutorial series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to find data on our maps and view it. Before we begin, we need to choose the right map. WinGIS organizes its maps by type of user. To illustrate our example, let's find what zoning our office is in. To find this kind of information, we'll go to the Winnebago County Layers map. Not all the information you're looking for will display right away. We have to make the layer for zoning visible. First, we'll open the Layer tab. Different maps have different layers depending on their purpose. Layers are listed in the sidebar. Layers can have sublayers, or in other words, some layers in the list contain other layers. Layers that contain sublayers will have an arrow next to their name. To view their sublayers, click the arrow. WinGIS organizes our zoning information by location. Since we're in Rockford, we'll enable the Rockford layer. On the right side of the layer entry, we can see an eyeball symbol with a line through it. This indicates that the layer is not currently visible. Clicking the eyeball will enable the layer. This changes our map view. Now we can see the zoning symbols across the map. From here, we can click a zone to view information about it. On maps with lots of layers, you may encounter difficulty finding the layer you're looking for. In cases like these, we can use the layer search functionality. Simply type the name of the layer you're looking for. If we search for school districts, we'll see that the list of layers filters to show what we're looking for. Keep in mind that you'll have to remove your search to see the full list of layers again. Once you have all the layers that you want to view turned on, you can click the features on the map to display their data. The Details pane will automatically open when you click on a feature. If you have many layers turned on, you will likely click on more than one feature at a time. When this happens, you'll see an indicator at the top of the Details tab showing how many features you've selected. You can navigate between these features using the arrow keys in the left and right corners, or you can view a list of the features by clicking the List View button. Keep in mind that you cannot view the details of a feature if it is not visible. If you turn off the Parcels layer, for example, you will not be able to click on parcels to view information about them. Sometimes turning on a layer will block out our view because of its size. The zoning layer covers all of Rockford, and it can be hard to see through it. In cases like this, we can reduce the opacity of the layer. Click the ellipses to the right side of the layer entry. Then, select Decrease Opacity. Now we can see through the city limits layer without turning it off. Your layer configuration will persist whenever you refresh the map to save you time. If you ever want to return to the original layer configuration, click the Reset Visibility button at the top of the Layers tab. This concludes our tutorial. If you ever forget how to use one of our tools, most of the tabs in our maps contain a helpful pop-up explaining how to use it. Thanks for watching.